everybody, I'm Dorata Dani from Kosovo, currently a master's student at Sasan Pristina University in Pristina, Organic Chemistry Department. I'm grateful for the opportunity given by organizer to present our work. So for today I have a work thesis about synthesis and structural characterization of new substitute pyrazole carbaldehyde derivatives. Having come across the literature on the chemical and biological activity of chalcones, for instance, as anti-tumor, antibacterial, antioxidant activity, it was decided that the work should be oriented towards the synthesizing new derivatives of substitute chalcones, and also in the literature the same previous mentioned properties have been found for new derivatives of substituted pyrazole carbaldehyde that also have many antibacterial and anti-cancer properties. After synthesizing the new pyrazole carbaldehyde, the purpose is to make measurements with IR spectroscopy as well as nuclear magnetic resonance in order to confirm their structure and to measure their melting points to confirm purify. The obtained syntheses were analyzed by measuring melting points, Buche apparatus, crystallizing them, performing chromatography, and recording IR spectra and recording hydrogen NMR spectra. With interpretation of IR spectra, we confirm the presence of functional groups as example, nitro groups, carbonyl, carbon-nitrogen bond, carbon-fluorine bond, carbon-bromine bond, etc. Thin layer chromatography, TLC, of study of chalcones was doing using silica gel as adsorbent, as a stationary phase, and solvent mixtures, hexane ethyl acetate, with ratio 70:30 as developing medium mobile phase. As a result, we can see that we kind of use two steps in order to complete our research. So the first step is the scheme of synthesis derivatives of chalcones, and in the second step we have scheme of synthesis of derivative of pyrazole carbaldehydes. So here we have also the general scheme in the middle of two-step procedure in order to obtain pyrazole carbaldehyde derivatives. Also we have here IR spectra and NMR spectra of compounds that were obtained. Also we have here the photos of chromatography or thin layer chromatography of chalcones and also of derivatives of pyrazole carbaldehydes. And in conclusion is that a total of 8 syntheses of chalcones were synthesized from basaldehyde and various aromatic acetalphenols, and 8 syntheses of pyrazole carbaldehydes were obtained from chalcones. The obtained compounds were identified through spectral analysis, hydrogen NMR and IR spectroscopy, and also their melting point were determined by Buche melting point apparatus. Based on the spectral analysis performed, the compounds called chalcones and the pyrazole carbaldehyde compounds have been found to be pure, and the yields have been satisfactory.